Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M33. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Not Now if you wish to in this window and close it by tapping on OK. Then open your app on Samsung, choose whatever you wish to in notifications pop-up and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to it on Samsung smartphone. Over here you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Then on Samsung, tap on one of those options, click on Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing your device's camera at the code. But you can always go back, input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. And now, as you can see, after that, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!